Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, basically today, it's going to be a one and done. We're going to talk about it real quick. The trade today is on the Nasdaq. It's the triple Qs. And look, how many afternoons do we need to sit here and watch the market completely bleed down? So I said, you know what? Forget about it. I've sat in that chair so many times, and yesterday it was frustrating because I was short or long something, and it wasn't moving. I think it was DraftKings maybe. And I was short the stock, and it just kept going up while the market kept going down. I was like, you know what? If we have a read on the market, let's just take it. So I do that with the triple Qs. Remember, you can do that, and I'm going to be with Arun here this afternoon. You can do this on the futures as well. I prefer the Qs because it trades. My keys are set up. It's easy to trade as an equity as opposed to the futures, so a little bit of a different risk situation. Look, what I was doing was all morning, right? No trades at all. What I'm looking for is a trend break or change. So this is a 50-period moving average. The pink and the blue is volume-weighted average price. We missed the short. This is the open. We missed the short off the open, just completely to the downside. I prefer trading equity, obviously, in the morning as we have some key levels and things to do. But then we let it float back up. It retests VWAP. This is the key thing here. The volume-weighted average price gets retested and doesn't break up here at 337 off of some of these bottoms. So what do? Like a ninja, we're sitting there waiting for our time to strike. And that happens right here once we take down this 50-period moving average, and then it just starts to collapse to the downside. So we short right here, and as you can see, that's about 337, 336.50 or so. Takes them out here for 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Down here is $2. Down here is $3. And then it goes all the way down into the money to 333. So we actually wind up having like $4 or $5 on this short, but we let it just keep on falling. And what we're doing this time is, you see here, we don't have a breach at all. Forget about these wicks. We don't breach at all until right here, 11.19. If I would have shorted in the morning, then what we would have had is short up here, 342, and then we wouldn't have got out till 335, $7. The same thing again here. We wait till it breaks, and this is something that I just have to either get better at or, hold a little bit more shares so that as it drops down, I can take a little bit more out. But each one of these is about 10%. We hold the last little bit for that last 50-period break. It happens real quick, bang, right up to the upside. We get out of our last little piece there for about $3 on the sell side. That's a good trade. Now we're looking at maybe bottoming out here. So it's the Qs, it's your trade of the day, and yeah, it's a technical breakdown. No messing around with single stock risk. We take the futures, it's the Nasdaq 100, and it is your trade of the day.